So you just took your predictive index and the results are a little difficult to understand. Well, don't worry. Today I'm going to go over everything you need to know to read your results. Stay tuned. All right, everyone. Hello, I'm Cassandra, and today we're going to go over how to read your results for the predictive index. Predictive Index, or PI, measures the 4 behavioral drives that we all experience and crave in our daily lives. Those 4 drives are A, dominance, the drive for influence on people and events; B, extraversion, or the drive for social interaction with others; C, patience, the drive for consistency and stability; and D, formality, the drive for rules and structure. When you get your results, you're going to see something like this: the 4 traits with a triangle delta midpoint and 2 lines coming off of it. When a drive is placed to the right of the midpoint, it means you have a higher manifestation of that trait. The opposite is also true. When you have something to the left, it is a lower manifestation of that trait. The further a drive is away from the midpoint, the more intense the need is for that specific trait. Now, if a drive is staying closer to the midpoint, it means it's situational. So sometimes you might be high, but other times you might be a little bit lower in that trait, and it really depends on the moment and what the situation calls for. So with that, your results might look like this, or even like this. Not to be cheesy, but the great thing is that there is no wrong or right score with this. It's really whatever you need to work your best and having the self-awareness to know what that is. Your results are unique and perfect to you, but there are 17 different profiles that give you a basic zip code about where you land based on your results. When you go to your PHQ dashboard, you can find the Predictive Index card and click Read On to find out more about your profile and some insights that go along with that. Okay guys, that's everything I have for you. I really hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can always reach out and ask me, but hopefully you're good to go to read your Predictive Index results.